Been married for 36 years, Trevor. You are marrying Kathy 2.0. Good luck, bro.
How can I frame it? I think we can make it. There's no need to fake it. Oh no, 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 no. You pull and you shake it, just entertain it. Don't gotta name it. Oh no, no, no.
Surprisingly, we've also known each other since we were roommates. That one's for my mom. And yes, surprisingly, we are best friends, although I would like to think that's an understatement.
Yeah, we just get started. Yeah, we just get started. Yeah, we just get started.
B, I know you want to travel, and I can't wait to go explore places with you, go see new things, get me out of my comfort zone, and it's for the best. I can't wait to create new memories with you as your husband, start a family, and just be your best friend and do everything with you.
Just on behalf of the Farrington and Bifford families, we just want to welcome everybody to this beautiful and glorious day. Just want to say a heartfelt thank you for taking time. Many of you have traveled from out of state to be here, and we're just so deeply appreciative. What makes this day no ordinary day and no ordinary promise is your presence that is here.
Bianca Page, I remember on one of our many FaceTimes, you asked me what my dream wedding was. At the time, I didn't have an answer to it. I didn't have a place or know what it would look like. But I stand here today, realizing my dream wedding is you, and it will always be you.
A beautiful dress. He's a lucky man. Are you excited? Wow.
Today you're coming together and you're making the decision that this is more than just a contract. This is more than you having emotions for one another because of infatuation. You're making the decision that this is the final decision you're going to make about whether you should be together or not.
Over the past year, we have countless memories together. And through those memories, I have gotten to see how truly special you are. You are kind, and you are beautiful. You are competitive and a little spicy. You are my better half. You make me want to be a better man, but most importantly, a godly man. As we get ready to embark on our lives together, I couldn't be more excited to have you by my side, because I know God brought us together. And with the help of some family and friends, my parents encouraged me to pursue a girl many states away. Your parents for allowing me to crash at their house for a year straight, and Delta Airlines making sure I got to Minnesota on time. We fell in love 1,000 miles apart.
Trevor Buzz, you are my greatest and most evident touch of heaven here on earth. Don't look at me. You are the best, most loving, kind, and generous person I know. You are consistent, humble, and you serve me daily. One of my favorite Bible verses is 1 John 4:12. No one has ever seen God, but if we love one another, God lives in us, and his love is made complete in us. Thank you for letting me see Jesus every day through the way that you love me. I vow to respect your daily routines, but to also add some sporadic fun in them. I vow to comfort you in times of sorrow, like when the Packers beat the 49ers. And I vow to support any and all of your future business endeavors, however many they may be. Trev, you have always seen the best in me, and have pushed me to do things I never thought I could do. And I promise to forever do the same for you. I vow to always love our Savior first, so that my love for you is an extension of his love, because I know I love you best when I'm satisfied in him. If someone would have told me a year ago that I would be standing here today with you, I would have told them that that would be a complete miracle. And that's exactly what you are to me, Trevor. Don't cry. A miracle that I will never stop praising God for. I love you and will always love you.
Beautiful. I love your dress. No. Of course not. Why would I do that? I really do this. From this day forward, I vow to put you and our marriage first every single day. I promise to love you unconditionally. I promise to be the best husband and father that I can be. I vow to be a servant leader and to put you before myself. I promise to encourage you in all that you do, even when you want to shop for the third day in a row. I vow to be slow to speak and quick to listen, even when the 49ers are on. I promise to build a life with you where God is our foundation. As your biggest fan, your best friend, and now your husband, I promise to always make you feel how truly special you are.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Those whom God hath joined together, let no man separate. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
You sure?
Positive.
You may kiss your bride. Family and friends, I'd like to introduce to you for the first time, Mr. and Mrs. Trevor Farrington.
I remember many arguments Bianca and I had when we were younger and more immature, but I think my favorite ones were the ones that ended in calling each other ugly. Really mature, like I said. And then my mom reminding us that we both look the same.
But I remember asking him, like, all right, hey, when are you going to ask the big question? Like, when's the big question coming? Did you ask her, will you be a 49ers fan? And I knew when she said yes, this was ordained by God.
Well, Trevor, I was thinking back when we first met you. We met you at the Mall of America in Zara, and looking back, it was a foreshadowing of where you'd spend the rest of your life with Bianca in the mall doing her favorite thing, shopping.
We won't ever give up now. No, we won't stop now. We won't slow down. Whoa, raise your hands to the wind now. We won't give in now. We'll fight till the end. Now that we're flying. Now that we're flying, flying, flying. Now that we're flying. Now that we're flying, flying, flying. Now that we're flying. Now that we're flying, flying, flying. Now that we're flying. Now that we're flying, flying, flying.
Everything that I am, everything that I have is yours for now, and it's both as we shall live. I love you, B.